Jamaican. What's up?
Take a picture for me.
Oh, pizza, pizza.
Give her the phone.
Are you half today? I'm half.
What's up? What's up? People them.
Yes.
Come here.
So one of the one, one I go with.
We are the road.
You're half today.
Yeah man.
Caribbean Vice family, Wagwan. Guys, did you know that there's a restaurant in Grand Turk called the Beaches Whale? As soon as you come through the ship terminal in Grand Turk, the Beaches Whale Bar and Grill is located on the right. But my first stop, let me take you to the Flow Rider where you will see local and visitor riding the wave, trying not to fall off.
I'm proceed to the beach
I leave that one to the professional. I'm gonna try to get some of the content from this angle.
I told you it was about to start raining.
It's about to start raining too. I'm telling you, these donkeys, they're everywhere. I'm doing everything in my power to stay away from these donkeys. Hopefully they don't show up, because the last time I was here recording content, these donkeys ambushed my meal. I'm feeling for a fish sandwich. You see these donkeys, they're everywhere. Donkeys are on posters. Did you know donkey in Grand Turk are like symbol of history? Hey donkey. This is where you get your massages on the beach. Guys, welcome to Beach Whales.
Alright, so with the group of sandwich, so that's regular sandwich. I don't want to waste the money. Comes with lettuce and tomato, and we have the Cajun sauce on the side, and you put on the fish taco with group of sandwich. And they come with fries.
Okay.
The fish taco now, it comes with the habanero sauce, which is the spicy sauce. And for the toppings on the fish taco, we have the pico de gallo, guacamole, the lettuce, and the tortilla shell, and also the fries, which you can choose any sides you want to go. I don't know.
Okay. All right. The one that you recommend, I will have that one.
The fish taco.
The fish taco.
More presentable.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna have a fish taco today. I'm not in the jerk chicken every time. I have too much chicken, man. I need some fish in my system, so I'm gonna pay my bill. Beautiful outdoor scenery. The place is so warm and quiet. Tropical, tranquil settings. The weather has not been at its best. It's a lot of seaweed on the beach. These guys is working overtime to clean up the beach, get it back pristine. Everyone on the catamaran having a blast. See, guys, the beach is full of seaweed. This is a giant whale. Guys, look how they designed the restroom, so unique. It's like an underground. The road is at the top. Males, females. Enjoying the day. Beautiful day, bro. Did you have lunch already? Okay. I've always tell persons it pay to be good. So many love and respect I have out there, all over. I'm just a simple human being surviving. Pays to be good, man. All we need to have is respect for each other. There is also a souvenir shop, the whale shop. You get t-shirts, souvenir cup. Guess I'm going wild. Today's meal is grouper taco. Take a bite. Wow. Flavor is popping in the grouper. So what they serve it with? Mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, and a slice of fresh lime, French fries. So spicy, flavorful. Perfect meal on the beach. I'm still looking out for the donkeys, guys. These donkeys is crazy. I only have one grouper taco leaf. I'm gonna add some of my lime juice. I think I'm eating it too fast. Lettuce, so fresh. These are the groupers. Guys, did you see that? Juice is running out of it. I'm really enjoying this taco. Fish taco. Staying hydrated, guys. We're still in summer. It's hot in Grand Turk. Trust me on that one. I prefer to have the water more than this soda. I'm loving my meal. Nice outdoor spot at the Beach Whale restaurant in Grand Turk. I'm telling you, sitting down under this coconut tree, the breeze is so cool, blowing. I'm enjoying this Caribbean weather. It's always good being in the Caribbean, man. Being in the Caribbean, I'm not far away from home. It's like I'm in Jamaica same way. Enjoying this beautiful weather, the island, the sun, the people. And most of these islands, like Grand Turk, St. Martin, they have so many Jamaicans live here and working. Being around my fellow Jamaican people make me feel like I'm still in Jamaica. I'm always feeling welcome. Godspeed, John Glenn.
Here's a replica of John Glenn. He was the first American to orbit the Earth. He landed in Grand Turks on February 20, 1962.
The historical site, John Glenn when he landed in Grand Turk. I don't go in pool, man. No.
Where you go? The beach?
I went to eat.
Oh, you went to eat already?
Yeah. I'm a foodie, I love food, man.
If I want to go to the beach because I don't like to go to the pool. Better at the beach.
Of course. No, I'm so full I can hardly walk.
Where did you go to it?
Beach Whale restaurant I went. I had some fish tacos, groupers.
How was it? Was nice?
Yeah. It's my first time trying these grouper tacos.
Stop here and
Oh,
eat.
I will definitely visit that Beach Whale restaurant again. I like the service and the food.